This is the helmet. This is the camera. This is the communicator, Cardo.
Now, how long, yesterday, I said, well, we're going to get a lot of flack over this.
Okay, it took us 5 hours. 5 hours to put 2 cameras on 2 helmets.
Yeah.
Don't ask. Just don't ask. We're just going to leave it there.
Yeah,
5
but
hours.
we could explain a little, you know?
Yeah. Basically, we fought over how to do it. That took about an hour. Then we finally figured out how to, you know, where we were going to put them after the hour of fighting about where we were going to put them. And then once we got the mount on and we got everything figured out and we got the camera on the mount, we found out that the camera is real freaking loose. So in other words, it would jiggle. It would go.
You know that thing you glue onto the helmet or tape onto the helmet? And then, yeah, you got that shoe that goes into it? Well, sometimes those shoes are loose, right? You can take and jiggle that, and they get loose, or are loose when they're brand new, yeah.
So what Uppy ended up doing was what?
Well, we wound up shimming them, making a pad to go into where the shoe goes, laying the bottom. Most of the mounts that we're finding, they are loose, which will cause your camera to jiggle. So, you know, I mean, originally we made shims out of, now I got the freaking allergy. We made the shims out of box tops, you know, me being an old guy, go get gasket material, you gotta make a gasket. Get Captain Crunch box and make gaskets out of that, you know. So the first shims we made, and we still have them, on SJ's windshield were made from cornflakes box or something, and that was, oh, this damn mount's worn out. No, it wasn't worn out. It was loose from the get-go and causing the camera to shake. So we cut these shims out and did it with, you know, cornflakes boxes, but or a box. And sometimes you need one, sometimes you need 2, but it does tighten the mount up. Anyway, I had some plastic laying around. One shim fit perfectly under SJ's helmet and the shoe.
Well, wait. One fit perfect. So we got my helmet done. That took us 2.5 hours. So we figured, we know what we're going to do. Everything will be fine. It'll be a breeze to do hubby's helmet. We know how the cameras go. Well, it was a breeze. All until we found his helmet had the wiggle. And yeah, not all these mounts that you buy in a pack that look the same are the same. So on his piece on the camera that goes into the mount, yeah, we had to modify that because it wouldn't fit with the shim, but without the shim, it still shook. So there was a little modification on that one, so it would fit with the shim and be nice and tight. So that took another 2 hours.
Yeah, well, I had to take 220 on it, lay it on a table or a workbench, and just slowly sand that thing, because if you sand too much, you know, you miss. So you sand a little and, you know, and then try it for fit. Still don't work. Sand a little more. Okay, it's starting to work now. And then you don't want to shoot by it because that's the whole idea. You're trying to tighten the damn mount up, right? That's what took us the time on my helmet.
But that's what we did. 5 hours, a little over 5 hours.
Because we didn't want the thing to jiggle.
Yeah, see, I don't do a front mount here, guys, a chin mount, because it gets so hot and humid out here where we live that you need these vents. You need these air coming in the summertime. Nope, I missed it. Then we need the air coming in the front vents because most of the camera, you know, if you do a chin mount, they end up blocking the vents. So that's why we choose to do it off the side of our helmet, as you can see on my helmet here. Last helmets, they were on the left side. This time they're on the right side. But that's why. So if any of you are wondering why we don't do the chin mounts, it gets too goddamn freaking humid out here in the summertime, and you need all the air you can get in your helmet. That's
yes. It's not like there ain't no hot air blowing around inside FJ's helmet anyway.
Oh my God, you're so funny. You should have been a freaking comedian. Oh, you're so funny. But yeah, so before anybody starts going, why don't you just put it on the chin? Why don't you just put it on the front of the helmet? Because that's effing why.
What'd you say you're going to put on your chin?
Don't even go there. Be nice.
I
Watch
just
the bicyclist.
I'm watching.
Just keep your mind out.
I just had questions. That's all. I thought you might have had answers.
No, we're not going there. Be nice. Be
all
nice.
Right. I'm
Be
always nice. Always.
As you guys can see, this is the helmet. This is the camera. This is the communicator, Cardo. And this is hopefully sounding good on my I can't even talk. Damn it.
You'll spit it out sooner or later.
My external audio source. No, I do not, and I've said this before, I think when we did the cardios, I do not record through the cardios with our audio. We have external digital audio recorders. Got it at that time. So hopefully there's not a lot of wind noise and you guys can hear me good and everything's fine. And if there is, I'll move the mic around, see what I can do, blah, blah, blah. You guys know how it goes. Work all that fun. But these are the new helmets. I like them. Hubby likes his. We'll do, by the way, guys, thank you all for watching our little review with my special guest, Hubby, and the reveal of this helmet. But I'll do a more extended review on this, probably over the summertime, mid to late summer, to let you guys really know what I think of this helmet and what Hubby thinks. So,
yeah, because we missed a couple things, right?
We missed a lot.
Yeah, we missed a couple things.
It was bad.
That was your fault.
It was not my fault. No, and
it was all your fault.
It was your fault.
No, you're the boss here. You were running things. And you forgot all that stuff.
And you were distracting.
No, it's all my fault. I was distracting you. Yeah, I know.
Talking about screwing and helmets and all this shit.
What are you talking about? You were talking about putting the shield on. What the hell's wrong with you?
Uh-huh.
You were putting the shield on. I was just repeating what you were saying. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Whatever. There, go away.
No.
Go away.
No.